Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'm going to be sharing my favorite products from Nars Cosmetics, which are all under rupees 299, which is absolutely insane because how do you even make such good makeup and sell it at that price point? It is insane. So in this video I'm going to be sharing the products that I'm currently loving from Nars Cosmetics, and I hope you guys enjoy watching these recommendations. Alright, so the first product that I have is the Nars Concealer, which is in the shade Dreamy Beige. Now this concealer is something that I bought because I just wanted to try something new, and I didn't have any high hopes with this one, but for some reason this has quickly become something that I always reach out for from my vanity because I feel like it's so easy to wear. It's not full coverage, which is something that I like because I don't really like full-on cakey makeup on an everyday basis, and I feel like this concealer, because it's light to medium coverage, it gives you the perfect amount of concealing without making you look like you have a lot of makeup on. I also love the consistency of this. This isn't too thick or too runny, it's right in the middle. I love this concealer currently, and I would 100% recommend this concealer to everyone. The only thing is this does have fragrance, so if you're sensitive to fragrance, maybe avoid this one, but I personally don't mind this at all. I think it's not an issue for me. But one thing is for sure, I think Nars should definitely launch some more shades, some more undertones in this concealer range. Next product from Nars is something that I mentioned in my previous video as well, the Nars Brow Better Pencil. And there's not much to say about this pencil other than the fact that it works, it does the job. I love a good basic brow pencil, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. I think sometimes we just underestimate how good a basic product can be, and this is something that I use as an everyday makeup product and I love it. I think that's it. That's all you need a brow pencil to do. Next product is the Nars Color Changing Lip Oil in the shade Peachy Dew. Now they do have a plumping version of this also, but I personally don't like plumping lip products because I don't think I need lip plumping products personally, and I also don't like the tingly effect on the lips. So I got the one which is a normal color changing lip oil, and I think this is really nice. Like, this is something that I made a reel about as well, which I will tag below. It's a nice hydrating lip oil. I didn't expect that hydration from this one, but it is very nourishing. Sometimes I even pick this up and use it as a lip balm when I can't reach my lip balm, but I love this. This is great. Some people said that this doesn't give any color at all, or it basically gives a pinkish lip color. I personally don't think so. This actually gives a nice popsicle orange color changing effect on the lips, which is evident in this swatch video. So I absolutely love this one. Next product from Nars is their Edge of Desire lip liners, and I have two shades. One is in the shade Deep Dawn and the other one is in the shade Steamy Pink, and I love these lip liners. Again, Nars is a brand I feel they just nail the basic products, and that's it. You're reliable. I will rely on you for basic products. I love that. Nars doesn't waste our money. Nars doesn't waste our time. They just give us a good lip liner collection which we can depend on. So I definitely need new shades of these lip liners, but I love this. My current favorite is the shade Deep Dawn, which I keep using all the time for 69 rupees, and I think you can even get it cheaper. I don't even know. There's nothing to say about this one. Next product is the Nars Drip Lip Mist in the shade Mulberry Drip. I am surprised how good this is. Now this is supposed to be a dupe for the Romand Juicy Lasting Tint. The Romand Juicy Lasting Tint is actually my favorite lip product. I can easily say it comes at the top. Like, it's #1 favorite lip product for me because I feel like the formula is just perfect. It's nourishing, it gives you beautiful tint. I am obsessed. and I think this Mars dupe comes very close. I wouldn't say it's exactly a perfect dupe because I feel like the Romand lip tint, it has a much even pigmentation and it also feels more nourishing on the lips compared to the Mars one. But for the price point, I love this Mars lip mist. So if you're someone who wants to try the Romand lip tints without spending too much money, I think you can definitely start off with the Mars lip mist drip. I don't know how to say it. Another amazing product from Nars Cosmetics. Next up, we have an honorable mention, and I'll tell you the reason why this is an honorable mention. But first, let me introduce the Mars Love Track Velvet Lip Tint. I have the shade 4 letters. Now, the reason why I am saying this is an honorable mention is because this would be part of this video, but the only problem is that this lip tint is out of stock everywhere. So I wouldn't want to suggest something that you can't buy, and maybe they have discontinued a product, so I wouldn't recommend something like that. But in case this comes back in stock someday, I would 100% tell you to go and just buy it. I especially love this shade 4 letters because I feel like if you love dark berry tints, a little bit darker than red tints, you're gonna be obsessed. I use this as a blush as well. I use this as a lip tint. I love this shade. I am obsessed with this one. I can't tell you how much I love it, and I also am using this sparingly because I don't know when this will be back in stock. But let's request Mars to please bring these back because these are so good. Alright, so the last product is the Mars Matte Muse Mousse lipstick in the shade Empress, and this again is supposed to be a dupe for one of the Romand velvet tint, I guess, I'm not sure, but this is a very unique formula that I discovered. This is very powdery, it has a soft blurring effect on the lips, and I personally like to use this as a lip topper for my lip tints so that I can kind of mix the two and create like a softer tint on top of my lip tint. So this is how I love using this, and I think this is amazing because I haven't seen this soft lip mousse formula in a while. It surprisingly doesn't feel drying on the lips. It's very soft and velvety. I can't really describe it, but I absolutely love this one. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Comment down below your favorite Mars makeup products. Comment down below if there are any new Mars makeup launches that you want me to review. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.